Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can delete your Google Chat message using an iPhone. So to do so, first of all, open Google Chat. Go to this chat icon over here and tap on the message you want to delete. I want to delete this best. So we'll just long press it. And now you can see the delete option over here. So just tap on delete and then you can delete the message permanently. You can see that I've deleted the message. So guys, that's how you delete a message using an iPhone in Google Chat. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment down below. If you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel and we'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.